In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a base in Airtable, Workspace Setup 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on screen, and a few best practices to keep everything organized. Start by opening your browser and heading to airtable.com. This is the home of your workspace and bases. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken right to your workspace. If not, you'll see the sign-in page. Log into your Airtable account using your usual credentials. This part is quick. Enter your details, complete any two-step verification if you have it enabled, and continue. Once you're in, Airtable will load your dashboard. After you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your command center. Here, Airtable highlights your workspaces and, most importantly for today, your recent bases. Think of this area as a shortcut to what you've been working on lately. On the dashboard, look for the recent section that shows thumbnails or tiles of bases you've opened recently. If the base you want isn't immediately visible, you can scroll or use the search bar at the top to find it by name. The idea is simply to locate the base you want to rename. Click the base you want to update. This opens the base in its usual grid, Kanban, or interface view, depending on what you last used. You're now inside the base where the rename action happens. At the top of the screen, you'll see the base title. It's usually left aligned in the header bar. Clicking on or near the title may reveal a drop-down menu with base options. For what we're doing, you don't need to dive into those options. We're keeping it simple. To rename, double-click directly on the base title. The title becomes editable. Type in the new name you want. Keep your naming clear and consistent. Include the theme, project, or date if that helps with organization. Avoid special characters that might confuse collaborators or connected tools. When you're happy with the new name, press Enter to save. You'll see the updated title immediately in the header bar. That's it. The base is now renamed across your workspace. If you return to your dashboard later, the new name will appear there too, which makes it easier for you and your team to spot the right base at a glance. A quick tip: if you don't have permission to rename the base, you'll see that the title isn't editable. In that case, reach out to a workspace owner or someone with full access. Otherwise, you're all set. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Airtable.